My name is Juarez. I'm 12 years old and I got a CrossFit vertigo. One time. $230.
Be cool, baby. Come on. Don't stop.
Ty, remember to breathe.
Hey,
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Fix that side, Joe. Breathe, baby, breathe.
Remember to breathe.
Come on, baby. Come on.
There you go. 1:30. 1:30. A minute 15.
Come on, big dog.
1 minute.
Come on.
Let's go, Ty. Remember to breathe.
Big pull. Come on, stay with it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on. Yes, sir. 2 more. Let's go. Come on. One more. Big pull.
One more time. Pull it. Yes.
30 seconds.
25. That's good. Get ready. Get down and get ready, bud.
Come on. There you go, baby. Don't think about it. Just work through it.
This is it, Carlos. You gotta go fast. Be smart about it.
Clock.
The clock's not going.
Clock's not running.
Watch that clock. Bring me that clock.
And release.
seconds. Let's go. Let's go. 20 seconds.
Go. Get it back up here. Go.
10 seconds. Let's go. Go. 5 seconds. Time.
They ain't gonna count it. They're not gonna